Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a password generator using JavaScript. I've created this HTML file, which I will provide in the description. Here I have created two text boxes, one for the password length and one for the password quantity. And I created a generate button. On click it will call the generate password function. Now, let me show you the main functionality. Inside this function, I have created a variable to store all the characters. Then I fetch the text box values, convert them into an integer using parseInt, and store them in constant variables. Now, I'll have to write two for loops. The outer for loop to loop through the password quantity and inner for loop to loop through the password length. The inner for loop will randomly select a character from the above list of characters using the math library and append it to the setter variable. This will loop until the password length is met. That means it will select one character randomly, then append to the variable, and then again select another character and append to the variable. This will keep going on until the variable matches the password length. Then it will store or append the password to a variable named displayPassword inside a p tag for displaying it on the screen. I created a div tag and will display the password in that div element. So, because of this outer loop, it will keep generating the password and display it until the quantity is met. Now let me open the HTML file in the browser and show it to you. Enter the length and quantity of the password. Then click the generate button. And there you go. You can create 1000 passwords too. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.